Beneath the misty hills of 12th century Wales, Talley Abbey stood serene, its white stone walls a beacon for the weary. Founded by Rhys ap Gruffydd for the Premonstratensian Canons, the abbey hummed with quiet devotion. Brother Caddoc, a young scribe with a shadowed past, arrived in 1185 seeking refuge. The tranquil lake and whispering woods promised peace, but the abbey held secrets. One stormy evening, while copying manuscripts, Caddoc found a hidden vellum in the scriptorium, inscribed with cryptic symbols and tales of a silver chalice, said to hold a saint's tears, buried beneath the abbey. The text warned, disturb it, and ruin would follow. Caddoc confided in Sister Ira. Together they traced the clues to a sealed crypt under the chapter house. As winter tightened its grip, strange signs emerged. The lake froze in spiraling patterns. Candles flickered without wind. Ira urged restraint, but Caddoc's curiosity won. He slipped into the crypt, finding the chalice glowing faintly. As he lifted it, the earth shook, and a mournful wail pierced the night. Ira found him, trembling, and they hastily returned the relic, sealing the crypt with prayers. Omens ceased, but a chill lingered. Caddoc, chastened, devoted himself to his quill, leaving the abbey's mysteries untouched. Talley endured, its walls guarding secrets older than time.